Gikundi gĩa gũtetera kĩhoto kĩa andũ anja Kenya nikĩo Kenya National Commission on Human Rights nĩkĩũrĩte Minister wa Karĩabwandene, Inspector mũnene wa borithi na kinya borithi banthikĩri kukinya buru mantu kathomba jaraba kuona jate kwagera gikundi giki kiugite ni kuoneka rina makarika jantu kugwatwo utheri na gutigira kinya bakingairwo utheri batithitangi ni borite kinya ukaria kuongerwa kienda kurikia untu bobo. Anthony Kathenya kuma Nairobi ari na Tonkurukia.
Kagita kalantuku ya sabasaba ilo tariki mugwanja muthenya wa Sunday weekend ino ikwĩrĩgĩrwo gũkũngũĩrwa na Kenya bamwe kwĩrĩgĩrwo kuthithia maandamano nkiamane ni agutetera gĩhoto kĩa mũingĩ. Kenya National Commission on Human Rights leo nĩũrĩte waziri wa wĩkaria Professor Kithure Kindiki, Inspector mũnene wa polisi Japhet Koome, Director gĩtengo gĩa ũconkoni kĩa DCI amwe na yes gũtigĩra mekari kama imwana gũtekwa kuthieteru amwe na ũtũmĩri bwa inya kĩrĩ maandamano nĩbo gũkinya muthia na Kenya baraba kiumiria ntuku ino bayowekanya gakwingio indi bwao bwa kikatiba bwa kuandamana. Ngwatanĩro nĩ kĩendaga bara bonde bagwatĩtwo nĩ polisi kĩrĩ maandamano marĩa methiretwo makĩthi na mbere bethire bakirekerwa.
We call on the Minister for Interior, that is Professor Kindiki, Inspector General of Police Japhet Koome, Director of Criminal Investigation Mr. Bwana Igonga, Director of National Intelligence Service Bwana Haji, to initiate the following immediate measures. 1. Cease all abductions, enforced and involuntary disappearances. 2. Cease surveillance, threat and intimidation of human rights defenders and civil society actors. 3. Provide adequate security measures to counter the infiltration of criminal elements and facilitate the exercise of the right to peaceful protest by all citizens who may wish to participate in the commemoration of Sabasaba demonstrations on Sunday, 7th July 2024.
KNCHR ikiologia nkiama ya gusonkona rutingo gibwa polisi ya ipoa amuna mutongoro nditango jia mwingi gusonkona na mpo emetugi ya mabisa bamwe ba polisi bala bethirito bakithiki nyume na watho kienda bajukirwo matagaria make watho.
Independent Policing Oversight Authority and the Director of Public Prosecutions to take the following immediate action. First, to fast-track investigations and initiate prosecutions against individuals who are liable for the unlawful use of excessive force and lethal weapons that have led to deaths, injuries, abductions, and enforced disappearances, amongst other violations and crimes.
Kulingana nkiamene ya gutetera gĩhoto kĩa mũingĩ mpaka mnde a Kenya 41 batete mioyo kiri maandamano marĩa methiretwo makithi na mbere na antu bangi 34 bagitekagwa kinyume na watho. Nkiameno leo kirogia Rais William Ruto gwitikire maite marĩa mathithikite na kulomba urekeri amwe na kwambiria mibango ya gutetheria njere jonde iringikite ni maandamano mama.
We further call on the government, with His Excellency President William Ruto, taking leadership to 1. Acknowledge the violations suffered by victims during the protests and initiate measures to provide effective remedies to address the physical and psychological harms they have suffered, including issuing a public apology, providing access to free healthcare and compensation to address emerging socioeconomic needs. To fast-track the reconstitution of the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission. And 5. To ensure that a public debt audit is undertaken that includes a public declaration of the uses of loans acquired.
Kuma mji munene wa Nairobi, Mbeta Anthony, Rangi wa Kathenya.